Today, I want to discuss mortgages and how you can save money on if you choose to get a mortgage to purchase your home. As you're all aware, our mortgage interest rates are rather high as compared to developed markets. They hover from about 16% to 20% per annum. Now, the first step is in saving on your costs is to keep the percentage of mortgage as compared to the value of the house that you're buying low or rather reasonable. What I mean by that is whereas some banks offer 80 to 100% financing for mortgages, please try and not get financing for more than about 50% of the total value of the property that you're buying. Reason for that is our mortgage interest rates are rather high. Best example is if you get a mortgage of 100 million and you're paying an interest of 20% per annum, in 1 year alone you'll be paying interest of about 20 million, which is quite steep. So the other thing is, whereas your mortgage term might be 15 to 20 years, please, whenever you get extra money, please work hard to pay down that mortgage. Ideally within about 3 to 5 years, and negotiate with the bank so that they remove an early payment penalty. So please be wary of that in the contracts. There are a number of banks on our market penalize you if you pay the mortgage early. Negotiate with the bank for them to remove that clause. That way, any extra money that you get, you can bring down that mortgage balance. When you're getting the mortgage, again, negotiate with the bank so they can put you in touch with the valuers, with the surveyors, and with the lawyers, and negotiate with those professionals to reduce the fees that they are charging as part of your mortgage. Negotiate with the bank as well so that it can reduce the processing fees that they typically charge when one is getting a mortgage. Now, I believe a mortgage is ideal for either a high earning individual or a high earning or professional or high earning businessman who's able to get this mortgage and pay it off in a few years. So please be very mindful of that mortgages, if you wait the full term, 15 to 20 years, you're going to end up paying a lot of money in interest. So the final piece of advice I have falls back to my concept of incremental housing. There are a number of banks right now that are supporting the incremental housing mortgage model, where our typical culture in Uganda is we want to build the entire house at once, and we want to get a mortgage as part of that agenda. What if we move more to incremental housing, where a person got finance to build just one room first, 1 or 2 rooms, to be like, let's say the master bedroom. Again, start early before you have an expansive family. But yeah, you could, if you have your piece of land, you get a mortgage, build a master bedroom first and enter the house, and then build the rest of the rooms gradually. And there are many banks now that are supporting the incremental housing model. That way, at any time, you're minimizing your mortgage spend or mortgage valuation. But what we're doing in Uganda is we're building houses and raising all the rooms, the entire substructure at once, or we're buying complete houses, and I mean that ends up correlating with you potentially having a higher mortgage percentage. So please, I really hope we adopt the incremental housing model because it's much more affordable for our market. I think that's all I have to share in regard to mortgages. Thank you and stay blessed.